Alright, YouTube, we're back. This is box 3, the last box of a 3-box half case 07-08 the Cup. Here we go. Thrashers have hit twice. Only team to hit twice so far. Everybody's got their fingers crossed. Hope they get something sick. Here we go. Here we go.
It seems only fitting that it's raining again on Long Island on best case. Thankfully, we were able to squeeze in the final round of this 109th U.S. Open, albeit on Monday. David Duval's first win of the day came on the par 3 first. That's where the ball went.
Some kind of triple in there, it looked like. I saw an edge of a card, but we'll see. Rangers. Brendan Shanahan, number to 249.
He was playing with Ricky Bars. Did Ricky finally realize the stage he was on in?
Well, anybody's going to be a little bit nervous when you get to this situation. Struggle a little bit, lost the rhythm.
Then for the Avalanche, we got a patch auto of David Jones, number to 249. Single color, maroon patch.
He gets it up and in, and this is a big save at this point to make a bogey versus a double.
So Barnes and Glover, the lead group that had such an advantage, were throwing it all away.
And this is just, the stuff is so thick when you get it. Sometimes you just have to put it back in the fairway.
Here comes Phil Mickelson.
Oh,
His
sick.
charge really began with this shot on 9.
He was struggling a bit to this point.
Scripted swatches. So there's an on-patch auto, number 3 of 25 of Nicholas Lindstrom for the Redwings.
Has not been under par in the championship. But Andy, if he birdies this hole, does he...
That goes to 7, 7, and 7, and Dev's 30.
Cute little hole location. He knocked that putt in. That got him to 100 for the first time in the championship.
And watch this reaction. When he makes this, is he thinking, if I birdie 2 more, maybe I win?
If he could have posted 300, he at that time thought that he could be the champion.
We'll pick up Tiger in a moment here. Glover trying to...
After that's a triple jersey between the Canadiens, the Canucks, and the Penguins, number 14 of 15. Patrick Waugh, Roberto Luongo, and Marc-Andre Fleury.
It's difficult to overstate this break. If this ends up in the schmutz, he could make an 8. Look where it ends up.
That ball is 50 yards offline. If it's 3 feet to the left, it's maybe a 6 or 7. He ends up hitting a great shot and salvaging a par.
Sometimes you have to have the angels of fate on your shoulder. Tiger Woods after a bogey on 15 here with a look on 17 for 30.
The best shot we saw at 17.
Then, for the Blackhawks, Jake Dowell. Jake Dowell, rookie auto, number to 199.
He made this putt almost the exact same time that Tiger missed his short one at 17.
And look at people, they're going nuts and they have more to cheer about. The USGA moved the tee up on 13, giving him a chance to go for it. Phil Mickelson, useful, Andy. The game was on.
After a huge strike.
And the last card is an autograph rookie for the Ducks of Petteri Virtanen. I'm going to assume that's pronounced Virtanen. Virtanen. Number to 199.
Very, very quick putt coming down the hill. He ends up leaving it 4 feet short. If you're going to leave it anywhere here, you have to get a pass.
Virtanen? It is with a W? Damn it. I was assuming it was going to be with a V.
And he misses a hole entirely, and that was one of the stories of the week, which we will talk about here momentarily. So Mickelson now backs up from being Todd Philippe, but here comes David.
And that is it. That is a 3-box half case of the Cup. There's still one more 3-box case to break. We did not hit a decoy, so there is probably something sick lying in the other half case. Thanks for watching. We got one random to do with that triple jersey. Peace.